everyone, welcome back to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today we are going to play an amazing D letter guessing game. Are you excited, kids?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, so I will be showing you an amazing video and you have to guess the correct word for it. So the first one is this. Can you guess what is this D word?
Dress.
Amazing. Now let us see another one. This is a yummy sweet.
Donut.
Yes, perfect. Now let's guess another word. This is a musical instrument.
Drum.
Very good. Now can you guess this game?
Dart.
Amazing. Now this is a very easy one. This is a pet animal.
Dog.
Perfect. Now can you guess this insect?
Dragonfly.
This is your favorite toy. What is this?
Doll.
Perfect. Very good. And this is something useful for the household.
Delete.
Yes. Perfect. Now this is a bird.
Duck.
Perfect. And now this is the name of the person whom we go when our tooth is aching.
Dentist.
Yes, perfect, very good. Now this is at the entrance.
Door.
Perfect, very good. And now this is the person who helps us recover when we are sick.
Doctor.
Yes, very good. Can you guess this beautiful animal?
Deer.
Amazing. So we have learned so many new D words. Now can you guess one more?
Dress.
Yes. And we have another sea animal.
Dolphin.
Amazing! You have guessed all the correct answers and we have revised all the D words together. Keep it up. Thanks for learning with us, friends.
And don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Bye bye friends.
Bye bye.